Hi friend, welcome to our YouTube channel Learn RSGIS. In this video, I am going to show you how to calculate mean coordinate of the polygons in your study area. If you have more than 100 or more than 2 3 polygons, so how to calculate the mean coordinate of the polygon using QGIS software. Kindly follow all steps to prepare the mean coordinates over the study area. If this video is helpful and improve your knowledge, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos.